Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey YouTube channel. Today another amazing AutoCAD Lisp tutorial. This tutorial is about how to changing automatically and dynamically multiple line type scale in AutoCAD. Watch CAD tutorial to the end and don't forget subscribe, like and share for next update. First we draw some line types. Now enter to load Lisp script. Select Lisp file, click on load and click on load once, make sure successfully loaded. And type Lisp script command. You can select all lines type, then enter. And double enter by space button, both method you can use. Drag mouse vertically, then automatically line type scale changing. Type command again, select all lines type. Delete this line. This is continue line. Draw another line type. You can scale single line type and multiple line type. Make sure this Lisp is beneficial for you. Thanks for watching.